Last topic of the chapter is Indian National Congress. In 1885, a group of like-minded Indians came together to form a political organization called the Indian National Congress. So in the year of 1885, group of people of the same ideas and same opinion, they have come together to form a political party or organization named as Indian National Congress, and the short form is INC. Remember the full form. Through this organization, the Indians hope to influence the policies of the British government in India. So, through this organization, the Indians were expecting to effect or show the policies to the British government about the Indian culture and respect the Indian culture. Some issues taken up by them were to reduce taxes collected from farmers. So, the main objective in order to form the Indian National Congress was to reduce the taxes collected from farmers, because farmers were pressurized in a very huge amount, and they have to pay a large or lump sum amount of taxes to the farmers, to include Indians in the government and in government offices. And they also demanded that in the government offices and in the British government there should be Indians. The INC is regarded as the first all India group to be formed and is said to have marked the beginning of the freedom movement in India. So it is because of the Indian National Congress we have got the freedom in our country, and this is the only organization which was the first of all India group, where people from different communities and different religion, they have come together and finally they fight against the British rule. We will study more about in the next chapter. So regarding the Indian National Congress and the freedom struggle, we will study in the next chapter in detail. So this is all about the Indian National Congress.